Hello everyone! Today, I am going to show you the best Mido watches of 2023 based on specifications. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and press the bell icon button for my new videos notifications. Number 6. Mido Multifort Patrimony Chronograph Watch. This exceptional Swiss watch is a tribute to the brand's oldest and most iconic chronograph, the Multichrono from 1937. It has a domed dial placed under a sapphire glass box crystal and is equipped with a tachometer scale. Automatic movement offers a power reserve of up to 60 hours. Case material: stainless steel with rose gold PVD coating. Thickness: 15.2 millimeters. Case length: 42 millimeters. Functions: date, chronograph, small second. Movement: Mido automatic. Water resistance: 50 meters. Number 5. Mido Multifort Chronometer automatic blue dial men's watch. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Blue dial with luminous silver tone hands and index hour markers. Dial type: analog. Automatic movement. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Screw down crown. Case size: 42 millimeters. Case thickness: 11.99 millimeters. Bandwidth: 22 millimeters. Fold over clasp with a push button release. Water resistant at 100 meters. Functions: date, day, hour, minute, second. Swiss made. Number 4. Mido Ocean Star automatic green dial men's watch. Silver tone stainless steel case and bracelet. Unidirectional rotating green ceramic bezel. Green dial with silver tone hands and dot hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type: analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Automatic movement. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Screw down crown. Case size: 42.5 millimeters. Fold over with diving extension clasp. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions: date, day, hour, minute, second. Swiss made. Number 3. The Multifort Power Reserve. It stands out for its sporty and urban design. With a diameter of 42 millimeters, the Switch watch is equipped with the caliber 80 automatic movement, offering up to 80 hours of autonomy. The power reserve indicator is displayed on the dial. Case material: stainless steel with anthracite PVD coating. Thickness: 13.1 millimeters. Case length: 42 millimeters. Functions: date, power reserve. Movement: automatic. Water resistance: 100 meters. Number 2. Mido Ocean Star GMT Special Edition Watch. Mido enriches its Ocean Star collection with a version equipped with a very practical GMT function. It clearly displays the time in 2 different time zones: home time and local time. On the back of the watch, equipped with caliber 80, which offers a power reserve of up to 80 hours, Mido has engraved the time zone indications. The extremely easy-to-use GMT function offers twice the freedom for those in the middle of the ocean or on an adrenaline-filled adventure. Case material: steel. Case diameter: 44 millimeters. Movement: automatic. Water resistance: 200 meters. Number 1. Mido Ocean Star Automatic Watch. Silver tone stainless steel case with a blue fabric strap. Unidirectional rotating blue ceramic bezel. Black dial with silver tone hands and index hour markers. Dial type: analog. Automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Case size 44 millimeters. Case thickness 13.3 millimeters. Bandwidth 22 millimeters. Water resistant at 200 meters, 660 feet. Functions: date, GMT, second time zone, hour, minute, second. Swiss made.